Hello, this video will show you how to add audio to a Google slide. Once I have my slide created, I can go to Screencastify to record my audio. If I don't have Screencastify, I can go to the Chrome Web Store and add it to Chrome for free. I'll just go to Screencastify by going to my Google Chrome toolbar. These video settings don't really matter. I'm just going to leave it as desktop, and I'm going to turn off my webcam because I'll just be extracting the audio anyways. When I click record, I get a 3-second countdown. After I click this and share, I get a 3-second countdown. And now I'll be recording the audio that I want to put into my Google slide. When I'm done, I can click pause and then stop. I'll name my audio recording something I can find later. And I'm going to click download and then export audio only. And then download MP3. Notice that this will save to my downloads folder on my computer. So first thing I'll do is go to Drive and I'll do a new file upload. I'll find that in my downloads and click Open to add it to my Google Drive. Before moving forward, I'm going to right-click, go into my sharing options, and then advanced. I'm going to change this to people at RCDSB and save. Done. Then I'll go back to my Google slide, go to Insert Audio. I'll be able to find that recording. And now I have it on my Google slide. We'll test it. And now I'll be recording the audio that I want to get to go. I have some options over here. Maybe I'll get it to start playing automatically. Maybe I'll hide the icon to clean up my screen. And I'll unclick that just in case there was a second slide. If the student was to change slides, my audio would still be playing in the background. And that's all for adding audio. Hopefully this helps.